Hey everyone, my name's Emily Rose Braithwaite. I've been a business owner for 12 years and these days I'm a business coach and mentor full-time. And what I was really looking for was a business coach and mentor for myself that could come in, look at my systems and look at what I'm teaching my clients and see where I could make adjustments, tweaks and continuously improve that. And the thing is I'm all about simple systems, and that's what really had me click with Scott, was that he not only was about simple systems, but he wasn't all about one thing. Because quite often what I found was that people would teach mindset or law of attraction or one aspect, and being a systems thinker myself, I really struggled with that because I know that it's never one thing. It's a series of things that allow you to achieve success. So if I could say where I feel now compared to where I was in the beginning, it's been absolutely incredible, because I haven't even worked with Scott one-to-one. I've been in the program looking at, how he uses his systems and how I could tweak mine and all of that. But what I've found is that just in that short space of time, I've been able to lean down my systems in my business even more so that they're even more effective. And actually over the past few weeks, I've doubled the clients I had previously. So a massive thank you to you, Scott. Really, honestly, truly, you are amazing. And I will definitely be looking to do more work with you, because I think as a business coach and mentor myself, it's always going to be crucial that I have a coach myself that can see my own blind spots and help me to continuously improve the service that I put out for my clients. So a massive thank you. I urge anybody out there, whether you're any form of coach, business coach, anything, who is looking for support, looking to scale, looking to have someone that can help you to tweak your own services in your business, go for this program, because it has been absolutely just the best $1,000 I've ever spent in my whole entire life.